Hello there. Now we're going to do a little bit of sort of fisticuffs. We're going to start very simply by breathing and then swing the hips forward and backward with the center staying in place. So the center stays and the hips go forward and backwards this way. Now I'm going to just add counts to it. Very simple. Now this creates a moving angle and facet in the body and in the hips, so everything that comes in can slide over to a degree. And then you can also add to that the arm movements. I'm going to place hands as fists closed lightly here, and then continue to do side to side. Like so. Knees slightly relaxed, just moving the hips forward and back. Go from an angle. Like so. Now we're going to send the fist forward, so obviously it's not a fighting move, but it relates to how we do things. You can do acute it to, in a way, to some form of cutting wood and so on. Like so. Now from here we're going to raise one elbow at a time, so from here, elbow, reverse, and then do a full extension. So down and up. Excellent. Now we're going to do a bit of partner work with it. So when your nice partner comes and pushes you, for example, let go. See? So from here, slow down. So what I'm doing is allowing my hips to move. So I'm moving out of the way and I'm allowing my hands to articulate naturally. Yeah? Nothing with trying to strike, just articulation and movement to maintain contact to a degree. Let's do one a few times. One push. Two. Then one. Now 1, 2. Go. 1, 2. Yeah. 1, 2. Yeah. 2. Now after you're more accustomed to it, you can do, let's say, 1, 1, 2. That would disengage the regular tempo of right, left as we're used to. So 1, 2. See? Good? 2. Again? 1, 1, 2. Good. So after we've done this, we've done regular and irregular tempos, we can do a bit more flowy work. And the goal of it is not to win and strike someone so hard that they forget which day is Sunday. The idea is that you are able to control yourself at all times, even when you are being pushed and pulled and struck. So as someone comes and strikes you, the idea is that you just keep on moving and not necessarily try to control the situation, just try to control yourself inside that situation. Yeah. So what I'm doing is moving myself, not punching it. The idea is to keep moving comfortably, so whatever comes my way, I'm just continuously moving. Again, 1, 2, 2. And again. The idea is not to press someone, just to maintain control of yourself. That's a specific that's also the end of almost every count. So it's coming through me when it's done. Here, just keep on breathing. And make sure that your breathing is relaxed, because if your breathing is not relaxed, you're not going to be able to read not yourself or your partner or partners, whoever is coming to press on you to help you learn. Now some more. Yeah, don't strike people on the face, they don't like it. I've got that all by myself. Now if someone is further away from you than you are able to reach into whatever that they are sending to you. Yes? If something comes towards you, feel that they are trying to just bounce on their beam and ride their wave and so on. You know, come here and do whatever it is that you do. Now, if it comes to a closer work, if something comes too much, then make sure that you are remaining with your body first and not your arms. If you trying to move along where you're too close, you're not going to generate much effective work. But if you're, again, from here from your hips, then you'll be able to work from your elbow, work and change the angle of the work to the distance that you need to open up, I don't know, draw something and do whatever that's needed. Now, let's do a little bit more free work, and again, make sure your breath is relaxed, that it comes towards you. Continuous work, comfortable. And make sure that you're not, trying to imitate something, trying to do something. Just be in the moment as much as you can. And if someone strikes you in a weird way, just smile.